Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to install and run Virola self-hosted messenger server on Debian Linux. I have Debian Linux installed and running on a virtual server, and here I have opened its command line. I will use it to run Virola server. First, I need to go to Virola website, which is virola.io. Virola Messenger is a fully private, self-hosted collaboration and messaging tool. It offers a range of features, including voice and video meetings, screen sharing, and remote control, without requiring any third-party plugins. Plus, it's free for small teams. Next, I'll click on Download Server, where I can either download the server installation file for any operating system, or go straight to the full installation instructions and follow the guide step by step. I'll use the Virola server installation for Ubuntu and Debian Linux guide. All the needed commands are provided in the instructions, along with the current installation file name, so I just need to copy and paste them. Step 1. Copy the download command, paste it into the command line, and execute. Now I have the installer downloaded to my server. With the next two commands, I will make sure that all packages on my Linux are up to date. And now I will copy and execute the command to install Virola server from the downloaded installation file. My Virola server has been installed, and now I need to start it. The server requires an IP address and a port to listen on. My Linux server public IP is displayed in the command line title bar. I can copy it from there or type it. And I can use any free port for Virola server. Let's try 7777. Execute the command to start Virola server. You should see that your server has started listening on your host and port, successfully bound, and is now waiting for incoming connections. This indicates that you have done everything correctly. If the port you entered is already taken by another service, you will receive a message that the server cannot listen on it. Just try another port in this case. Okay. So now my Virola server is up and running and available from anywhere. I will try to connect to it with Virola Client from my Windows. Virola Client installation files for different operating systems are available on the Downloads page. I'll download the one for Windows and proceed with a standard installation. Once the installation is complete, an icon for Virola Client will appear on the desktop. After opening the client, you will need to enter your Virola server IP and port as the server host and the server port. I'll enter mine. By default, the username and password are both admin, but you can change them once you log in. And that's it. This is how you install Virola server on Debian Linux. Be sure to watch our other video tutorials to learn how to use Virola's features. For more information, check out our user manual or contact our live chat support team available 24/7 at virola.io. And don't forget to subscribe to see our new video tutorials.